Good evening, everyone. How session start करू sir? In between तुमने काही दे question असतं, you can always ask me then and there. But again, let's not have too many questions in between. सांगा जरा flow मिसी का sir. Plus आज काय cover करूँ म्हणजे कि आज cover ही नहीं करता रहा वाना मन की extend क्या करता रहा तुम्हें full दा मिलतु नहीं information. So we thought we have made the slides based upon हमारो understanding और हमी slides क्या sir. How basics भी common sense cover करो sir. हेमंत दा मारो mentor actually. Now stock market into वस्तु हेमंत दा actually मारो boss होता है. So मस्त वरस्ती ते मने बोलता. Plus हमी relative भी लागनो. So now हमारा journey stock market में start है. So basics of stock market कौ करनु काय करनु को मैं एक जनवाने गोत असतुनी. कौन की एक तो बोलियो मने नो दाम गाल कम बोली करना उगाय क्या. मने कमाई ही नहीं ही लक्का नहीं सब मिलतु नहीं कम बोली कर सभी जनों योजना करा सर. But they actually correct ना मैं. So what is stock market? हमारे लोग ना मस्त business मस्त चलता है. So you are into trade. You buy and you sell. तुम्हें कम मोल ले सर, जस्टी मोल नहीं कर सर. What is the difference? तुम्हें profit नसु काढ़स. Similar thing stock market में भी करो सर. Wherein जनो shares buy करो सर, ते जस्टी मोल ने sell करो सर. But कमा भी जस्टी मोल में sell करूँ सर को बोली का ना बोला हो तूने. So आई stock market में uncertainty जस्टी असर सर. But uncertainty जस्टी छे का बोली का ना तुम्हें कौन मिला सो करिया करते तप्पा. So तिने way छे. There is a particular way in which तुम्हें no करियोगा the correct तो करियोगा the correct का बोली का ना हमी शिकाड़ा में start करेला. So 2010 में हम stock market institute start करियो. Every year हमी एक 13,000 students ने train करा सर. Students कतर it is somebody between 16 year to 74 year old who come and learn from us. So सभी भी मैं student है सर. If you see like that. So I am personally 2 lakh plus students ने address करियो सर last 10 years में. So next particular thing, कौ company shares issue करस. सभी भी बोला सर stock market में shares मिला सर, ते buy sell करनो, तिपुस करनो ते को मोली करन. But the shares कौ issue करस सर, काय करनो company का मोली करना, इनाम बोलू सो. कौन मिला से वाला company वाला issue करानो ते shares सर. The company has to be 5 year old at least into the same business. At the same time, last 3 years ma, last 5 years ma 3 years at least they should be in profits. Not necessarily continuous 3 years ka moli kana, but last 5 years ma minimum 3 years they should be in profits. The profit ma nahi katara SEBI, who is the controller of the stock market or the guiding factor behind the stock markets or the regulator, they allow karta nahi. 3 years minimum असलो. So तुम्हें Flipkart ओला सभी IPO आवश्यक समझे लो ना को संगत ते कदी profit में होता नहीं. त्याना अगर cash burn facilities छे funding मिलतु लीगी सर. So the cash burning करा सर तो the profits में आवन कष्ट. आई कदर भी लाई late हो सर. आता ना scenario में आवन लाई कष्ट. So now these two terminologies or these two conditions ते कमा meet करस के तमाते उन्हें opportunity मिला सर to invite general public to invest in their companies. For example, the funding houses fund kara sa, because of which the valuation goes up. So त्याने वाला expansion करनो नई funding houses वाला exit करनो को बोलिया करता रहा. The main way is to come out with IPO. Whenever they come out with initial public offer, तमा general public ने shares दी करना त्याने करती काय दाम हो सा, ते funding houses ने दी करना, ते बोलस okay thank you for being with us. इका वर्ष मैंने support करिया. आज मैंने इटू value मिलल छे. So तीनों प्रकारा my company is now public company. So people can buy and sell the shares कम बोली करना. So त्याने thank you बोलस. So IPO process आई है. So तीने book building process exact valuation कौवा. तीने सभी लाई मस्त आई छे. Rules and regulations ताई हम explain करता हूँ बटे होता मोटो clear होतो नहीं. So based upon the industry, every industry ना multiple valuation wise. So Flipkart दाम करे ना स्टोरी valuation छे तीने. तो सांग करता मस्त जनो तीने buy करस. So buy करस तमा त्याने value आवसा. So इटका जन मरा का customer और check value दिखाड़ी करते funding raise करस. So वन हम ते funders कौन छे त्याने इका वर्ष wait करिया आता हमने इस नये राकिले होना investment हमें sell का ready छे करता. The exit is very easy through IPO process. but again there's a lot of ifs and buts behind it. Okay, so IPO process overall structure of stock markets. How bolyo primary body SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India. So they basically they were formed to safeguard interests of a common man like you and me. Okay, हमारा लोग बोलो सर, आई बॉडी नो मेन रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी काय करता एज ए इंडिविजुअल इन्वेस्टर मैंने कहीं भी मोस्ट फोन देनो को बोलिकन सो हम ब्रोकिंग हाउस में जेकन डीमैट अकाउंट ओपन करू सा त्यो वाला क्लोज कली करना ठीक है सो मारो इन्वेस्टमेंट काय हो सर बोलिकन वो योजना का काम नहीं है से भी हमारा सपोर्ट नेट है प्लस मैंने कई तरह प्रॉब्लम ही वन कंपनी ते क्लोज ही जतुरी सर नहीं कई तरह मैंने शेयर्स आई नहीं सर बाई काय मक्ति पे दाम गई शेयर्स आई नहीं करते पे तो ब्रोकर ने कॉन्टेक्ट करे છે ब्रोकर भी कई भी हेल्प करे नहीं करता सेबी कॉन्टेक्ट करे છે सो ते दोन છે there are two main stock markets in India, NSE, BSE. NSE sorry, BSE is Bombay Stock Exchange, so Bombay must say there, so no other place, or I don't have to ask you kha chhe there Mumbai kana. NSE I can Mumbai must say there. Majority of Indians or anybody across India तुम्ही कोणे तर मिळ्या करता बी NSE खाते करता ते National Capital Delhi में चेक हम बोलते हैं, which is wrong thing. Both of these exchanges are in Mumbai itself. Again, there are two very important bodies. ते उन्हें एक clearing houses plus depository participants कम बोला सा, एक CDSL Central Depository Services Limited ते उन्हें काम again डीमैट अकाउंट ओपन कराना तुम्हें ब्रोकर ने जेकर मीट कराया करता ते तुम्हें ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट ओपन करे जैसा but demat account has to get opened with CDSL or NSDL only. They are the only two bodies in India who have the right to open your demat account. Same thing NSDL, it is National Security Depository Limited. They are the clearing houses as well as the depository participants. Below them are the members who are also called as brokers. So they association आता generally दोन market ना संगठन मिला सर इन्हें separate apply करूँ इन्हें separate apply करूँ कहीं नहीं है. As a broker, whenever I approach, I'll have to approach the exchanges and they'll give me the broking license. So based upon the scale, somewhere between few lakhs to few crores, they deposit rakno. Only then they can become a broker. Clear? Brokers, every city mastani. So for example, how officer Mysore में रखो सा, नंजनगुड़ में रखे होगा office चलस की नहीं की मने बोलते नहीं. So I'll identify a partner there who has clean inclination towards becoming a broker. I give him the license, I give him all the support which is required. So ते हमारो सब broker ही करना तय area manage करने का आशय है. So anybody तय area में trade करना ready है इस तरह, they can always meet my sub broker. My sub broker will open his demat account and they can start buying and selling. Below which comes clients. It is not okay. It's mandate नहीं है client ने sub broker का जानो broker का जानना कहीं नहीं है. Clients direct brokers ने भी meet करे छे. Bangalore में ऐसा city में main majority of the offices central business district में छे, नहीं कहते जयनगर ना area में छे. So directly broker ने meet करेगा तो तुम्हें demat account open करे छे. CDSL NSDL काय करस whenever you sell, for example तुम्हें कहीं तो sell करस shares आता हमारा 1000 Reliance shares छे और 1000 Reliance shares एक हजार पर sell करेगा तो भी मैंने demat clearance charges का charge करस आता एक शेयर सेल करेगा तो मैंने डीमैट क्लियरेंस चार्जेस को चार्ज करस which is somewhere between 7 rupees or 8 rupees which this two people charge clearing houses or the depository participants. So they also charge you stamp duty and many other charges. So these are the two bodies who are responsible for transferring the shares from your account to the seller's account or the seller's account to your account if you are buying or selling it. So this is how majority of the stock markets across the world chete. आता USA में गए होगा तो whatever CDSL here, NSDL here will be a different thing there, but overall frameworks of stock markets है सर. अंके very important thing है. Demat account का तो क्या है? सभी ने भी बोला सर Demat account open करेगा तो buying and selling कराना उसे stock market में नहीं कहता वो तो नहीं कंपनी का. Yes, Demat account is very important. Similar to your bank account. सबियाना का बैंक अकाउंट है तुम्हें बैंक अकाउंट में दाम रखस. डीमैट अकाउंट इज सिमिलर टू योर बैंक अकाउंट बट यू कांट कीप money in it. You can only keep instruments of finance which has value in it. Clear? You can keep shares, debentures, bonds, mutual funds, and you can also buy gold and silver in paper form and hold it in this particular account. So कोणतो तर पदार्थને value असतं તે પદાર્થ અહીં accountમાં store કરે છે. Okay, going forward, the government of India under Modi's leadership is coming out with the plan to make Aadhaar as your demat account number, and that will be made mandate for you to have your details or including your marks cards. For example, other degree certificate છે, તમારો license છે, passport છે, તે સભી actually demat account માં કાઢશે. Demat account નું full form એક ને dematerialized account. Whatever was a material earlier, which was in paper form or a certificate form, will all get converted into electronic form, and this particular thing is called a demat account. Clear? Any doubts at this point of time? कोने तो कहता doubt असता आई के जाता.
Hello. What is the exact difference with CDSL and NSDL? The body is very same as the way. What is the basic difference?
See, they are basically promoted by the respective markets. NSDL was started by National Stock Exchange. CDSL was started by BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. So both of these accounts or the bodies were promoted by the respective markets. So there is no difference in the services that they offer. Only thing is, when NSE came in bit late, 1992 my LNSE. But BSE was there in existence since hundreds of years. So that point of time, they told, okay, hame own kara, instead of we doing it with BSE company. So they floated their own depository participant and they floated their own depository participant as and when demat account came into picture. तिना पहिलो जनो स्टॉक मार्केट में गई कना उभरी कना वळलेली कन बाइंग एंड सेलिंग करता लिया था एंड मस्त स्कॅम होत होतो प्लस लोकली जे कन सेल करन बाय कारण कष्ट होत होतो. फॉर एग्जांपल बेंगलोर स्टॉक एक्सचेंज होतो कोन के बेंगलोर में बटी कना बाय सेल करनु कदा तिने नजीक का कोणतो भी एक्सचेंज नहीं होतो. सो ही हैड टू कम डाउन ऑल द वे टू बेंगलोर. एट द सेम टाइम मारा 1000 शेयर्स नो सर्टिफिकेट છે. હું 105 શેર્સ સેલ કરનું 10 શેર્સ સેલ કરનું કરતા બી મને ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી નહીં હોતો. કારણ કે તમારા શેર સર્ટિફિકેટ 1000 છે કરતા હું 1000 બી સેલ કરનું હોતો. So to make it simple, transaction process ne easy होने का बोली करना, they converted everything into electronic form and the process was called a dematerialization. This was how it actually happened. Any other question?
During this long time period, can we
Yes.
open the demat account?
Yes, correct actually. See, today there are new age brokers, Zerodha, Trade Genie, ICICI सब भी है, wherein you upload your documents, you do KYC with Aadhaar, and they can open your demat account. Again, there are few signatures that would be required. Probably you can download it, sign it, and scan it back with your actual documents. They open करे जाते, कोई problem नहीं. Chat है, better to use chat to clarify doubts. Okay. कोणे की साउंड ऐकावतो निस कसा दा तुम्ही लेफ्ट हँड साइड कॉर्नर में माइक सिंबल छे तो दा थाती क्लिक करी कना जॉइन विथ ऑडियो कन देवो ऑटोमेटिकली जॉइन हो सर. ओके, कैन वी प्रोसीड फर्दर?
Yes.
बोलो दा. ओके, डीमैट अकाउंट चार्जेस. सो आता ऍक्च्युअली मार्केट पडतुसे सिच्युएशन में डीमैट फ्री मध्ये ऑन लागी यस सांगा तर त्याने कस्टमर्स मिळणं ऍक्टिव्ह कस्टमर्स कितको असकी तितको रेवेन्यू देना आवश्यक. कोण बाइंग एंड सेलिंग करतानी ट्रेड करतानी की तेवने कस्टमर्स नैस्कू ते कमावण होतो. सो एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम दे आर गिविंग यू फ्री डीमैट अकाउंट, बट जनरली दीज आर द प्राइसिंग्स. अकाउंट ओपनिंग चार्जेस फ्री थी भी 1000 रुपीज will be less, depends upon the broking house or broking firm. Account maintenance charge, which is AMC, तुम्ही basic demat account राखिल्या करता, which is investment less than 50,000 in your demat account, or the value of your shares holding in demat account is less than 50,000. That point of time, account maintenance charge काही भी असतो नाही. कसं करता, government want people to have more demat accounts. At the same time, तुम्ही regular trade करता आली असं तुम्हारा मस्त balance है, तुम्हारा portfolio मोटू है करता, तो somewhere between 500 to 1,000 rupees charge करस. Somewhere they give you different benefits. तुमने ऑनलाइन नाही देवास काही देवास, सो तुम्ही एव्हरी इयर मने मेंटेनन्स चार्ज देवान बोलू मने एएमसी नसको देवो नैसे काही मेंबरशिप नसको देवो हम देखी लूज उरेला कमाई दे देसा ब्रोकरेज. सो डिलिव्हरी काय इंट्राडे काय कम बोली का ना मस्त याने कन्फ्युजन असस. काजन ट्रेड करता काय कम बोली मने होत नाही बट जनरली हम बोलूस डिलिव्हरी करता एनीथिंग दैट आई बाय टुडे एंड सेल इट एनी डे आफ्टर टुडे वानम भी सेल करशी एक महीनो यामध्ये सेल करशी एक वर्ष यामध्ये सेल करशी 10 वर्ष यामध्ये सेल करशी तिने डिलिव्हरी कम बोलसते सो हांव काय आज बाय करूस की आज नो दिवस छोडी कना कधी तो दुसरा दिवशी सेल करयो कतरा ते डिलिव्हरी होसे आज हांव काय बाय करूस आजच ते 3 o'clock ने 3:13 पे सेल कट क्यों कतरा ते इंट्राडे उसको कन्वर्ट हिगस so brokerages come as intraday accumulation so generally traders कहता है one who buys and sell the share हमें business करा सा हमने कितको व्यापार हो उसकी तितको हमने खुशी जस्ती same thing is what a trader does he does not fall in love with any of the stocks or any of the companies his only job is to buy shares at a particular price he sees some upward movement or downward movement he wants to sell it and make money out of it or reduce his losses that is what a trader does a delivery transaction or I would say investment if you see like that I would generally call delivery as an investment which can be for a short term to a very long term also so ते काय करस it's generally like buying a house so तुम्ही मस्त रिसर्च करस ते रिसर्च नो डिटेल्स नो तुमने बोलू सर हेमंत एक्चुअली ते कवर करस वानामा ऐसा आज असं तिने फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस को बोला सर to know how good the company is by looking at the financials, the balance sheet, the management, the market share. ते सभी आज कवर करस हेमंत ट्रेडर जनरली ट्रेडर काय करस तुम्ही मस्त टीव्ही चॅनलवर देखेल असनो wherein they show a lot of charts in TVs CNBC TV 18 NDTV Profit Bloomberg ते सभी चैनल्स में तुमने लॉट ऑफ ग्रीन रेड एरो मा काही तेसबी देखाडिकन ते बोलता असत बाय करो सेल करो बोलिकन मस्त ना अर्थ होतून ते आर्थिक तरी फुल अर्थ होतून so generally ते काय करस चार्ट्स रीड करस ती नाम तेने कळस कितकान बाय करनो कितकान सेल करनो काय है बोलिकन so ते चार्ट्स रीड करस तेने कळस को बाय करनो को सेल करनो बोलिकन the chances of you going right as and when you get to read the charts chart reading एक आर्ट ते कळेल ना को काय बोलिकन head and shoulders actually shampoo नाम that was one of the chart pattern which Japanese invented more than 200 years back but today there is shampoo that is available online or even in the grocery stores so these are a few things which is very important for you as an individual to know मस्त है ना आई गोतस्तुनी जनरली ते बाय करसा बाय करयामध्ये ते बोला 50 पैसे for every 100 rupees तुमने ब्रोकरेज काढ्या असा बोलिकना तर था सेल करायला असतं मग त्याने 20 rupees की 30 rupees चार्ज केला असं तर मग ते ए कसा म्हणे इटू जशी चार्ज असतं 9 वर बोलिकना बेजार पडस ते काय समजलं असं एक शेअर 2 रुपये प्रॉफिट करया 50 शेअर ने 100 रुपये प्रॉफिट ही बोलिकन तर थास 50 rupees त्याने ब्रोकरेज चार्जेस एंड अदर चार्जेस का देता रहला so it is very important for you to know how much money you are paying towards the transactions ते गोतनेश को तुम्ही ट्रेड क्या करता ऑब्वियसली तुम्ही लॉसेस भी कर लेशी मिनिमम प्रॉफिट करूस का भी होतो नहीं एक है पर तो ये का आई है सिक्योरिटी टर्नओवर ट्रांजैक्शन टैक्स आई बाइंग और भी आवश्यक सेलिंग और भी आवश्यक which is again government charges wherein you can't negotiate anything on this DP charges as I told you CDSL NSDL charge करसा whenever you are selling free to 30 rupees also for example Zerodha the discount broking houses they are only giving you a facility for trading they don't give you any extra support तुमने बैंक अकाउंट ओपन करी कर दिवसा तुमने डेबिट कार्ड दिवसा क्रेडिट कार्ड दिवसा को बोलिकन ते जनरली डिस्काउंट ब्रोकिंग हाउस है they are only working on technology तेने टेक्नोलॉजी और काम करी करना बाइंग एंड सेलिंग मस्त एक होता वैल्यूएशन मिला सा को बोलिकन ते करसा yes they are also earning money but that's a different story altogether but they may not charge something called as transaction charges which is generally been charged by other brokers there are other brokers for example to me India Bulls share khana Zerodha नाम है शेयर खाना मोतीलाल ओसवाल ते सभी जनरल ब्रोकिंग में छेता है ते आज भी कन्वेंशनल ब्रोकिंग में उसको 0.3 0.5% डिलीवरी चार्जेस ने काढला सा तुम्ही नेगोशिएट करेगा तो 0.3 भी दे सा तो सेम इंट्राडे में जनरली 0.1 ना इंडस्ट्री रेट्स छेता है तुम्ही नेगोशिएट करेगा तो 0.05 या 0.03 काढला सा ओनली थिंग इज ते बोला सर ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರೋಕರೇಜ್ को बोलिकन ते करान के नेसेसिटी नहीं तुम्हें जनरली तो नेगोशिएट करेंगे कम करा लेजे so this is demat account charges any questions here
For income tax, you are covering it later or means selling for the intraday in income tax padas ka or डिलिव्हरी ट्रान्झॅक्शन इन्कम टॅक्स पडत का सगळी transaction?
तुम्ही ट्रेडिंग करता आसत तमान ट्रेड करता आसतना तुमने एज ए ट्रेडर टॅक्स ब्रॅकेट दुसरो आवश्य तुम्ही इन्वेस्टर करता एज ए इन्वेस्टर योर टॅक्स ब्रॅकेट विल बी डिफरंट थिंग तुम्ही एट एंड ऑफ द ईयर होल्डिंग स्टेटमेंट एज अ ट्रांजेक्शन स्टेटमेंट तुम्हारा ऑडिटर ने देनो तुम्हारा ऑडिटर देखीकन ते प्रोसेस करस क्वेश्चन देखिक कुछ एक दफा मस्त है क्वेश्चन आई कैसा
Raise your hands. Sushma had raised her hands for some
Okay.
query. We also have Vinod Kalburgi also raised his hand for some queries.
Okay, you can ask me the questions. Okay, Kiran Kambolikana, for starters, which is better, intraday or delivery Kambolyasa? See, delivery is always preferred because you have the right. आज हम कमाओ तो उसका ₹2 आज मैंने दाम होनो का सेल करियो का तो मैंने प्रॉफिट आवश्यक बोलिकना श्योरिटी असता सर इंट्राडे में तो नहीं है आज मार्केट सडन और डाउन जतो रे हम बाय करे से पोजीशन आज क्लियर करनो सो लॉस में भी सेल करनो पड़छे सो इंट्राडे इज जनरली नॉट प्रिफर्ड बट कई भी काम नहीं मने सकाळी सांगू बटेलो सर स्टॉक मार्केट में दररोज भी कहता करनो बोलिकन करस कतरा इंट्राडे इज फाइन बट डिलीवरी ऑलवेज यू कैन मेक मनी अनलेस अंटिल यू आर सेलिंग इन डेस्परेशन आता होनु सोनु दाम मने कोणते भी आणखी आई नहीं है प्रॉफिट में नहीं कदा सेल करनो कदा करे जे डिलीवरी में बट इंट्राडे यू मे मेक मनी और यू मे नॉट मेक मनी दैट इज हाउ इट इज any other question
To get it clarified, intraday means before investing in the means taking the shares only, we have to declare whether it is intraday or it is a delivery transaction.
yes
We have to declare before.
फोन और ऑर्डर कया करता जनरली ते आयकस कैश और इंट्राडे का बोली का आयकस कैश करता डिलीवरी
Okay.
yeah any other
Sir,
question?
please expand IPO.
IPO is initial public offer.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Recently, IRCTC no आयतो, so that is IPO. So general public apply करे छे. Okay, one more very important thing. तुम्ही आता डीमॅट अकाउंट 10 ओपन करी 10 मध्ये बी अकाउंट 10 अकाउंट बी IPO अप्लाई करूस का होतो नाही. इंडिविजुअल ने एकच एक डीमॅट अकाउंट अप्लाई करान ऑपर्च्युनिटी छे. So whoever applies for IPO, irrespective of the number of demat account तुम्हारा गच्छे you can still apply from only one demat account, and that is what it is. You can't apply from 10 demat accounts. You can always have your own wife or your friends who have a demat account and they can apply for IPO on behalf of you. तै भी करे जो उनको तरह. So by chance जो ने demat account में allot ही that point of time the delivery instructions slip कनावस which is as good as your challan. तो तै फिल अप करेंगे तो ब्रोकर ने दिया करता ते ऑफ मार्केट ट्रांसफर तुम्हारा अकाउंट में करे जे. Clear?
ईश्वर IPO कहीं ना लेनो का तरह is there any criteria का ना
See,
criteria
there is no criteria as such. Individually there will be a particular bracket. तुम्ही maximum 2 lakh रुपये लूर अप्लाई करे जे कि मैं कहाँ आता है. Few years back it was only 1 lakh. So तुम्ही 1 lakh rupees ने से 2 lakh rupees लूर अप्लाई करे जे minimum इटका number of shares का मूल्य का नासस. For example, in multiples of 20, in multiples of 50 का मूल्य. So तुम्ही 20, 40, 80, 100, 120 तो अप्लाई करे जे. There's a 40 का 40, 80, 120, 160 तो अप्लाई करे जे. Multiples. You can't buy 2 shares, 10 shares, 100 shares like that. People, okay. अंगे का जनो ऐका सा हम आज बाई करू सा आज सेल कट कुसा आजच मला अकाउंट में दाम आईगस का बोली करना नहीं का तरह आज हम बाई कटेगा तो शेयर्स भी हमारा अकाउंट में आईगस का बोली करना नो तई होतो नहीं तो संगत डिलीवरी takes 2 days. T plus 2 days is what the settlement process is. So T is not today, T is not Tuesday, T is not Thursday, T is trading day. The trade happens, it takes 2 working days for the actual transfer to happen. Then is a time you can withdraw money from your account and use it for your personal needs. Same thing with so सभ्यांना भी ओपिनियन देवाना ने एडवाइस देवाना लई इष्ट आम्हाला लोकनाने सेम थिंग लगन होनु का तर भी दिट कुसा 10 जन 10 छोराने 10 छोरेने दे गाड़ी का बोलस आई चोट से देखा तई चोट से देखा छोरो नहीं करस तई करस मोय कना बाय चांस तुम्ही ते एडवाइस खाली करना लगन कल्या नहीं ते कोर्स कर्या करता तुम्ही वन सक्सेसफुल या करता ते बोलस ओ मारो एडवाइस ली कन आज खुशी थी छे बाय चांस तुम्ही सक्सीड या नहीं करता they will not take the blame on themselves. ते बोलस हम काय की चोट से के मूल्य में बोलियो तीनों पाप लगता चोट नहीं पाप न हुई तीने के मूल्य में जनो बोलस सेम थिंग हॅपन्स इवन इन स्टॉक मार्केट्स. द डे तुम्ही डीमॅट अकाउंट कधी ओपन करस की तधी तुम्हाला ब्रोकर तुमने फोन करायला लागस आणि असं व्हॉट्सअप धाडस आणि असं SMS धाडस. फर्स्ट टाइम तुम्ही काही बी नाही करता नी गच्ची प्राई असा મેસેજ આવસ તમને તમે વાંચી કરીને ગચી પ્રયાસ और હું ડીમેટ अकाउंट ओपन केसो ब्रोकर मेसेज धाडतो दिवस छोड कंपनी कन 2 दिवस यामध्ये त्यो 23 मेसेज आणखी धाडस सर हांव तुमने मेसेज धाड्यो तो 2 दिवस खाली तुम्ही बाय करी आणि आज 20 रुपीज उपलार जतो रिसर कंपनी कन. सो तुम्ही मोटिवेट करस ओ नेक्स्ट टाइम तो कोण तो मेसेज धाड्यो तो इमिडिएटली हांव कायतर करनो कंपनी कन. सो तई मेन थिंग इनाम करसा. सो गैम्बलिंग में तई मेन प्रॉब्लम जनो काय करसा कोण की बोलियो कंपनी कन जम करी कन बाय कट करसा. बाय કર્યામાંથી काय हो सकता फॉर एग्जांपल મારા કડે એક એક્ઝામ્પલ છે. somebody says please buy ABC limited. so तुम्ही लास्ट 2 दिवस खाली नो मेसेज धाडे तो आज 20 रुपीज जास्ती गीसा बाय करनो को बोली कना 10,000 रुपीज अकाउंट में चेक कर समझी ले 10,000 रुपीज ने तुम्ही 100 रुपीज पर शेयर बोलियो सो 120 रुपीज इज द टारगेट को बोली कना. so 120 जायदा सेल कट को आको बोली कना तुम्ही काय छे 10,000 होल थिंग आई बाय करान यूज करस. so 100 into 100 whole of 10,000 got exhausted. Your bad luck. 100 comes down to 90, 90 becomes 80, 80 becomes 60. At 60 you sell off everything and you say stock market is all about gambling. Agree? At the same time, the day your son or daughter comes back to you, बा stock market में दाम घालने को मैं आशा है मैंने हम भी stock market में trade करने का आशा है कहता. You will add more zeros to it. 10,000 10 lakhs कट की कन तुम्हें बोलस हाँ 10 लाख रुपए घालो तो एक दिवस within 1 week the 6 lakhs ही मैंने गोता काय stock market करना stock market में उपलार मैंने गोश्त करने को तिनामनु छोट वाचा छोट का काम ने जा ताइस मैंने बस का बोली कर जनो मस्त ने स्टॉप कर स्टॉक मार्केट एंटर कर. सो त्याने 5 क्वेश्चन्स आयकुस आता तुम्ही बाय चान्स यू इन्वेस्टेड ऑन ABC. आई विल आस्क यू 5 गुड क्वेश्चन्स. इफ यू हैव द आंसर प्लीज अनम्यूट योर माइक एंड टेल मी द आंसर. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ABC? देखा कोने तो गोच्छे का देखा
अमिताभ बच्चन कॉर्पोरेशन.
नहीं नहीं तई कंपनी में that company got closed long back. Okay, nobody has an idea. Okay, I'll come to the second one. What business they are into? Any idea? Okay, I'll give you one more clue. Without them, your day wouldn't end. Every single individual who is on this particular platform now, including me, are customers of theirs. Without them, we can't lead our life. Any guesses now?
Maybe a technology company.
Google.
Your grandmother will also use them. Use their product. That is how it is. Okay, next question.
Alphabet. The company name is Alphabet.
Stick
And Google.
Okay, who runs this particular company? Or I can say management. Who is the management of this company? Any idea? No idea. Okay, next question. As I'm going further, the questions become much simpler and answer also become much easier ones. Next question.
ABC is Alphabet company, which is
No, I'm talking about Indian company.
the Google is part of this umbrella.
No. I'm talking about Indian company.
Is this logistics company?
Not exactly. They are related to it, but not exactly logistics company. Okay. This company, where is it located? Any idea?
Vijayanagar.
Idea.
Hello?
And the simplest one, is this company in profits or losses?
Is this assorted bean company?
Yes, you are absolutely right. Who did that?
Balram. Yep.
Okay. See, again, there is where knowledge is very important. You don't know which company it is, what it is, and other things. You just invested your money, and when it came down, you were shocked, and you told stock market ऐसा है भाई वैसा भाई stock market सट्टा बाजार है, gambling है, ऐसा है वैसा है. So this is where knowledge is very important. So I always recommend people to get answers for these 5 good questions. If you don't get answers for any of these questions, I would always recommend you to stay away from this particular company. I follow one simple philosophy saying, when in doubt, stay out. Clear? So the next question that people actually think about markets is risky.
Kishore, can we just pause for a moment and have a small discussion?
Yes, definitely.
You will have to analyze specific segments of the economy.
Yes.
before you invest. You cannot randomly go and invest into anything and everything, whichever you see going up or down.
Yes, yes,
You'll have to see at the economic situation.
yes.
For example, today, if you want to, the thing talked about in the market is pharma. You need to, if you are interested in long-term investment, you'll have to look at a good pharma company.
Yes.
And specific companies, you'll have to look into the management, what kind of profile they have.
Yes.
Only then invest.
Yes,
If you're
that is
just,
what I'll be covering today.
Yeah, structured
I-
market,
Yeah.
structured investment. Yeah.
Yeah, we will cover all those things today, and
Yeah.
that is where Hemanda is having expertise.
Okay. Okay. Thank
We'll
you.
be talking about it. Second thing that people actually think about market is risky.
Sorry, actually, coming to that, this gambling part.
Yeah.
The thing is that being a very at the initial stage of our share market and all.
Mhm.
So how good we are, means we cannot expect that we are analyzing the company the way the financial institutions and other who are very years together, they are doing the same thing.
Yes.
So how to analyze this? Because okay, questions are good. There's 5 questions, but as an initial investor or I'm finding it difficult to analyze that. And based on what document or data I should analyze that?
Yes, we will be talking about all those things. Sir.
Okay,
That is part and parcel of our presentation. So we are here to address all these things.
Okay.
Yeah. So second thing that people actually think about stock market. Okay, for you to clarify that it's gambling or not gambling. For example, you go to race course, bet your money on your horse, which is number 3. If this all loses of the game, do you get back anything in return? You can't say, sir, I'm सीधा साधा लड़का, मेरे को थोड़ा ही मालूम नहीं था, मैंने पैसे डाल दिया, अभी पैसे वापस दे दो. They'll never give it back. But in stock markets, you buy anything for 100 rupees, even at 60 when you're selling it, you get back something in return. But in gambling, you never get back anything. This is where it's different.
I'm not saying that is a gambling thing, but
Yeah.
answering to those questions. So it is.
Yeah.
I found it difficult. Yeah. Got your point.
Topics there. You don't have to.
Definitely, I will get the
Just
answer.
those
Yeah.
topics. Yeah. Second thing that people actually think about markets is it's risky. How many of you here know how to swim? Majority of you would know how to swim, but a person like me don't know how to swim. So whenever I go out with my family or my friends to another clubs or resorts, I never get into swimming pool. I always fear that I may get drowned and I may die. And I don't want people to say, oh, your light out ko manu sokta, papa swimming pool mein padi kan jata raha ko balika. So I always stay away from the pool. But whoever knows how to swim, do you also feel the same way? Like how I feel that getting into swimming pool at a resort is a risky thing. Anyone who knows swimming?
Obviously.
You don't feel so?
No.
Okay. How? Why you don't feel so?
Confidence, actually,
Yes.
due to this
How did that confidence come in you?
practicing.
Practicing. Okay. And you have knowledge how to swim, right?
Yeah.
Yes. These are the two things because of which I don't feel stock market is risky. One, I have knowledge about it. Second one, I have experience. Without this, yes, whoever enters stock markets just by taking tips from anyone or just because your friend told you buy it off, you just buy it off and you say after losing out money, oh, stock market is a very risky place. People like me in real life, what we do is, I know my height is 5 feet 10 inches. I'll ask the pool manager where the depth of the pool is less. Tigre kam much depth, tigre aiku sound. Resort nahi gaikan. So thachete wala bola, sir, rakade bari 3.5 feet, 4 feet ide. So I'll open the swimming ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಕಂಬಲಿಕನ್. So ತಿನ್ನ aiku sound. Sir, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾ swimming ಹೋಗೋದು? So bola, yes, ನಾನು coach sir ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕಂಬಲಿಕನ್. Then I'll tell him, please be near the pool only, boss. Swimming pool नजीक असो काही तर ही कदा मने तुम्ही देखेल इसको होसा. Then I get into water. Also I'll see कि काजन ने गोच છે તેના નજીક જમ્પ મારું છું પાણીમાં. કારણ કે त्यो મને at least save તો કરે છે કંબલિકન. So did I actually take blind risk?
No, it was calculated risk.
Yes. Same thing in real life also you should be doing. So तुम्ही लाइफ में इन्वेस्ट करनो का तो स्टॉक मार्केट्स में कितको इन्वेस्ट करनो कितको रिस्क लेनो को म्हणजे तुमने गोतस नो. तुम्ही दाम राखेलास नो तुम्हार बाळना एज्युकेशन साठी कन नाही अमर लग्न साठी कन दाम काढ राखेलास. ते दाम स्टॉक मार्केट में फुल घालो नको. तुम्हारो डे टू डे लाइफ लीड करन कितको दाम होनो. तिना उपलार काय सेविंग्स होस के ताई मात्र स्टॉक मार्केट में दाम घालो. सो ते लूज ही करते भी तुमने काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे, नाही अर्न ही करते भी तुमने काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे. म्हणजे आजच कमावणं को मुलीकन नाही आहे, कधी तर आई परवानी को मुलीकन असतं ते सुद्धा घालो स्टॉक मार्केटમાં. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ હું કોલેજમાં વાંચતો હતો, મારા જોબમાં 10 રૂપિયા નહીં હશે બે તદી મને કઈ બજાર પડાનું કામ નહીં હોતું, બીકોઝ મારા ફ્રેન્ડો કોણ તો મારવાડે બોલતા હતા, એ ચાલ રે હું તો દેવાડો છું જુમાન નાસ્તા કઈ કરબી કે મુલીકન. आज હું તઈ કરાણો હતો નહીં, आज હું સ્ટોક માર્કેટમાં દામ ગાડી કના મારા કોણ તો બી દામ નહીં है, મારા વાઈફ ને તો તાર મહિને જે કન જુમી કના આવા સાને મારા ફ્રેન્ડ ને કન જુમી કના આવા મુલીકન બોલાવો હતો નહીં, બીકોઝ शी इज माय रिस्पांसिबिलिटी. Whatever risk I can take today at this point of life, same risk I can't take at 60 years of my age, because that day I don't know whether my son or daughter will take care of me or not. So it is very important for me to know how much risk I can take at what age and what life cycle में कौन risk लिया जाए, कितना risk लिया जाए मुलीकन. So stock market is not only about taking risk. You should know how much risk you can take individually. If you are a high risk taker, take 10% risk, 20% risk. Don't take 90% risk and say stock market is risky. So this is a very important thing which people actually don't keep in their mind. दरा खाले का वेट करस, आंध्रा खाले का वेट करस, પછી બોલસ 100 રૂપિયા નહીં હોતા, 20 રૂપિયા નહીં બા કા કરું કુમલીકન. તો મને મસ્ત નહીં આઈ કાઈ કસ. તો કો કનું કાઈ કનું કુમલીકન. સો હું બોલુસ છે ને તમે બાઈક રસ્તામાં કિતકુલ એક ટાર્ગેટ રાખી લેનો દાવું ખાલે જાતું દેશન છોટ્યા કરતા કાઈ યુઝ કુમલીકન. ને એટલીસ્ટ એવરેજિંગ કરનો. તો જેસ્ટિમોલ लिया तो आज कंपनीज करता एटलीस्ट कंपनी छोटा सा एवरेजिंग करी करना, you can get it at a particular level. This is why I don't feel stock market is risky. Third thing that people actually think about stock market is complexity. हाँ सभी जन ने एक इन्फॉर्मेशन देने को ना आशा पड़ू सा स्टॉक मार्केट में कहीं नहीं कहते भी 8,000 थी जस्ती कंपनी चाहिए इंडिया में आज. तीना में एक कंपनी शॉर्ट मैंने दाम दे सा रिटर्न स्टोर दे सा कंपनी फाइंड आउट कौ करस. आता मैंने दादा ऐकता लिया था और कौन तो कंपनी कौ बाई करूँ काय एनालाइज करूँ मैंने बहुत नहीं है कंपनी. So there is where we are having this session today. Risky, complicated, but clear cut sir. We have 3 approaches to stock market. First approach is called as fundamental analysis, which is all about knowing health of the company by looking at its market share, the financials, the management, the competition, the growth, the innovation, the research and development, and many more things, which will be talked individually, or probably Hemanda will be touching on each and every topic here. Same thing with technical analysis. Technical analysis is all about reading the charts. So candlesticks form also white candlesticks, red candlesticks, white or black candlesticks. Each candlesticks actually signifies a particular thing. So kama buy karno, kama sell karno ko malikan candlesticks actually tune bolas. Only thing you should be ready to understand the language. So तुम्हें डॉक्टरों ने देखा रहेगा ते चार्ट तो नहीं अर्थ होता नहीं. नहीं astrology न में, but you can still predict the future. This is what technical analysis is, which again Hemanda will be covering. My favorite topic, which I will be covering for you people today, is called as common sense approach. I am actually expert, or I would say that my strength in stock market lies in common sense approach. To give you a small example, okay, if I have to buy Titan today, what are the main reason that you would say to buy Titan, or I should not buy Titan? Can you tell me? Titan, the main business is watches. So every other company is manufacturing watch. But there's one other business that Titan is into, which again, I don't think so. Nobody can actually reach wherever they have reached today. Any idea what business it is?
Jewelry.
Yeah, which brand?
Tanishq.
Yes. Any idea why is it so unique? Any guesses? Why is it so unique?
They actually give you the value of the gold at any point of time. They give you the market price.
Okay, that every other jeweler has to give it. If they are charging you high, you will never go there, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
As an engineer, I can say that they have a very good technology. The processes are good, designs are good, blah 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 blah.
Okay. I'll tell you how important observation is. I also go around. I go to different places, different cities. I travel a lot. But wherever I go, I observed a particular thing. For example, when I went to a city which is like tier 2 city, I just got down from the bus. The minute I turn around and I see, I could find a Tanishq showroom there, a good tier 2 city. I'll tell you how I connected it with the real life scenario, whatever we go through on a day-to-day basis. Just go back home today. Whoever is here, and just check out your grandfather's cupboard. Does he have anything called as a branded shirt? Most of your grandparents will not touch even a branded shirt. They'll be happy with the same old tailor who has been stitching them shirts for years. आज भी तुम्ही तेवनाकड स्टिच कराली कंगे आका तो माता ते पहले से दुसराकडे ते स्टिच कराली कन आई छोट से बा कपड़ू ले बा छोट से पहले का तो ते पहले तानी, because they don't like anything which has been given from somebody else. In your dad's cupboard, based upon the stylishness couch hai kai chhe ka boli kana, if you just check out his cupboard, you may find one or two branded shirts, because in your own brother's marriage or sister's marriage or your own marriage, you would have got a Peter England or Park Avenue shirt, which you would have worn it inside the suit on the reception day. If you tell him to wear it today, he'll tell, nahi, next function aayega to mata pehlu se, kadi suit pehlu uski tadi pehlu se. So he would not be interested to wear something which is like this. In your own cupboard, just check out how many unbranded shirts you may have. Very less, which you would not like to wear it outside also, because today everybody wants to wear branded shirt. Just think about next generation, your own kids who are coming to college. Will they wear anything called as unbranded shirt then? Definitely no. They will not be wearing it. So what I connected this with my own thing is, when I got married few years back, today is my anniversary, 12th anniversary. When I got married, that particular day, my wife got few gifts. I was happy looking at her because she was feeling very happy looking at the gifts. I never knew what was the content in it or other things. When we were opening the gifts, she saw a few jewelry, few things like a finger ring or a ear pin or anything like that. I never knew what was the purity of gold in it and other things. Looking at her being happy, I also felt happy, and life continued after that. Few years back, my own younger brother got married. When he got married, I was curious to know how much of the jewelry, whatever his wife had got, was branded. And I got the answer whatever I was expecting, somewhere between 20 to 25%, and that was the right thing. Next generation, probably when your own kids would get married, will there be anything called as branded handmade jewelry then? Yes, but the percentage would be very less, because that particular day, the elite class of the society or people who have so much money are the ones who can actually buy customized jewelry. That day, people will call it as customized jewelry. Otherwise, everybody would like to buy it from the branded store. So I'll connect this with Tanishq. When I know Tanishq is the largest retailer of branded jewelry. Any good country you go to the capital, in center of the city, wherever they have good tourist footfall, they have their showrooms there. There is something that I observed even in Singapore, Malaysia or other places. They have their showrooms in center of the city. So this is where I thought it's better to invest in. I invested in Tanishq approximately around 11 years back, as in when I got this opportunity. And today I don't have to worry about buying jewelry for my own kid's wedding, because the day they tell that I'm planning to get married next week, please come and grace the occasion, I'll sell the shares in this particular company, buy the jewelry from their own showroom and gift it to them. This is how investment again have to be done. You don't have to be a scientist sitting in a dark room reading balance sheet with gray long hairs, glasses, big glasses and other things. So there's ways in which you can actually look at stock markets. Whatever you do on a day-to-day basis, if you feel, yes, this is a place where I can actually invest and make good money out of it, this is where you can actually invest in. I actually firmly believe in this. The second company, again, I'll give you opportunity. Anybody who has visited Hyderabad or people from Hyderabad are there here. I don't know where or which geography people are from. What is Hyderabad famous for? Apart from the gold market there, the Charminar, the biryani, Ramoji Rao Film City, Golconda Fort, any other thing. Apart from this, Hyderabad, what is that? They have something special.
HMT.
HMT? No.
Hyderabad Pearls.
Yeah, that also I told you. Jewelry not related to it.
Museums.
Museums. No, that also no.
Ramoji City.
Okay, I told you, you're not Ramoji Film City also. I'll tell you. 2.5 years.
Hub.
Okay.
Nizam.
2.5 years back, I was there in Hyderabad. Went there for a session like this on stock markets. A lot of colleges there had invited me, so I had 10 days of schedule. So every single day after 1 or 2 hours of session like this, I started roaming around the city. Wherever I went, I started observing few things. One of the observations was something like this, wherein whenever I went to any of the so-called restaurants, whenever I used to buy tea or coffee, I used to find that they are not added sugar to it. And whenever I used to go back to the counter and tell them to add sugar, they used to show us the table and say, "Sir, udhar rakha hua hai, kitna chahiye utna add karke pee lo." Third time onward, it became of a habit, and I also kept quiet. One of the restaurants where I went, it was not that crowded. The person in the counter gave me a smile. I also smiled back at him. In between, I just asked him, "Boss, why do you people don't add sugar here?" I went to lot many restaurants. Everywhere, this is the custom. They have two bowls, one with the fresh spoon, the other one with the used spoon, plus 2 or 3 bowls of sugar. Why is it done so? So he told, "Sir, either jo bhi aata hai, they generally prefer sugarless. So hum sugar ke bina hi coffee dete hain." I asked him, because of competition, why don't you add sugar? It will give you a good advantage over the competitors. But he told, "नहीं sir, इधर लोगों को sugarless ही चाहिए. By chance मैं दे दूंगा, वो ठीक है, बाद में बोलेंगे नहीं चाहिए तो मैं किसको दूंगा, झूठा हो गया तो कोई लेगा नहीं." I told fine. I went back to my room. That day it was too hot outside. TV, AC, and Wi-Fi were free at my room. I started working. In between my work, I remembered this conversation and went online and did furthermore research and got shocker of my life that Hyderabad is the diabetic capital of whole world. The highest number of diabetic patients in any geographical area are highest in Hyderabad. So I just did furthermore research to know which all companies manufacture medicines for diabetes. One was Biocon of Bangalore. The second one was Dr. Reddy's. I just saw that and kept quiet. 2.5 months later, I was in Bangalore. After a session like this, generally I see what are the missed calls or messages or news. And I got a very good news that chairman of Dr. Reddy's had died. I started buying the shares. In between, their sons also started fighting, because of which the price started going down. Today, I own good number of shares. I'll not tell you how many I own, but I own good number of shares, a sizable amount of shares, with the average price of around 1,200 rupees. And this company has gone beyond the thing. And I don't know what is the current price exactly today, because I was busy the whole day. But this is how, again, investments have to be done. Tomorrow, by chance, God forbid, I get diabetes, I don't have to worry about it. I'll sell the shares in their company, buy the medicine from them, and use it for my life. This is how you can connect the dots. There are a few questions, I believe. I'll just look into it. Okay. Thank you for the wishes. Okay, can somebody tell me few good companies where I can think about investing? I need your suggestions or your opinions.
Yeah, likewise, one is one company where you can invest.
Which one?
Biocon.
Biocon, okay. Other than that?
At this point of time, any retail business should be good to be invested in, because the shares have dropped, and after the lockdown, the shares might shoot up.
Okay.
Or pharma company.
DMart.
Pharma is there. Apart from pharma, any other good company?
DMart companies.
Okay, DMart. Okay, I'll take DMart one. Then good banks.
Sure. Agro-based, agriculture-based companies.
Yes, agriculture-based. Yes. But
Infosys.
Companies which you have been seeing on a day-to-day basis.
Big Basket.
Big Basket. Which one?
Amazon.
Amazon. It's not a listed in India.
HDFC.
Infosys.
Any good IT company we are
investing into petrochemicals would be good, because due to competition, the prices have dipped fairly.
But
once
again,
the economic activities pick up.
ITC is there?
One you told
Transportation.
the other one you told which one?
Transportation.
Transportation company.
Kishore, I have one question.
Yes.
Please, you tell me what is the current situation of stock market, India and world.
Okay,
So
I'll talk about it, sir. I'll talk about it. That's also there in my agenda today. I'll come back to it.
Okay.
Okay, you people told me a few good companies. If I take one is HDFC, the other one is IT company, which is like TCS. The third one you would say Reliance. The fourth one, somebody told DMart. Yes, these are very good companies. But if you see like this, the list I can compare it with somebody like Sushmita Sen, Aishwarya Rai, Dia Mirza, and Lara Dutta. They were all beauty queens once upon a time. Your money invested in this company will be safe, but they'll never double or triple. Agree or disagree?
Completely agree, Kishore.
Yeah?
Completely, I go with you.
Yes. So I always invest my time and my energy to know which is the next company which can become big. This is where I invest my time and my energy. I have been looking at companies like, okay, I'll just write it for the sake of everyone. this is a company that is on radar. Again, I'll write it on the different line. This is one of its kind company. They don't have competitor in India at least. Please pardon my handwriting. I'm using the cursor and writing it. Vatek Vapag. Any idea what this company's business is? Exactly 3 years from today, every individual who is in this particular chat, including me, will be a customer for them. Any idea what it is? Don't search on Google. Okay. Whoever has visited Dubai or Singapore, did you ever see any river there apart from the beach? They don't have any own water resource. What they generally do is if you go to Singapore, Singapore has a very good drainage system wherein they collect water from the drainages, which has layers of drainages. They take that water, purify it, and again supply it. Even if you drink water in a 7-star hotel there, they'll give you water which has been purified from somebody's loo also. So this is how Singapore has been doing it. They had a contract with Malaysian government for till the year around 2025. So next 5 years, they'll stop taking water from Singapore. They want to be self-dependent. This is what they are doing. The same is what Dubai does. Dubai has good sea. So whatever water is there in the sea, they actually purify it and then they supply it. And this is how they are managing with water. The same is what is happening in India right now. Last year, summer, if you had paid attention, Chennai had taken water from Vellore, telling that we don't have water, and they had to supply it in trains.
Usman.
So the same company has signed up with government of Tamil Nadu to open their own plant somewhere outside Chennai, which is approximately costing them around $1,700, 1,700 rupees, 1,700 crores. So this is something that this particular company is expected to do, and the company is also in talks with government of Karnataka, because 3 years from today, Bangalore will also be in the same situation as Chennai because of the apartments and the water resource that we have are depleting. So this company is having a lot of future, and they are the only company in India today who are a listed company and who is into water treatment and transporting it. So this is one of the good companies that I feel. I don't recollect the price. It should be somewhere approximately around 188 rupees. And if you are buying it at this point of time, again, I'm just giving you a tip. Again, taking a call on it depends upon you. So this company is what I feel that there's future. And yes, this will be something which is required for anybody and everybody who want to be. The second company that I'm actually betting right now is on Yes Bank, a stock which crossed around 398 lifetime high, available at around 25 rupees today. And SBI is trying to bail it out. And fundamentally, the bank is very strong. It is very good. Only thing is, because of management, this bank had got into problem. So this is something that I would like to invest on. So these are the two places where I actually like to invest. And there are a few more companies which again I have invested but not got good returns. So I would not like to talk about it. But I'm not in losses. That's one advantage. Okay, I've been talking for such a long time. My throat is gone. Okay, I'll talk about one more very important thing. I always love to talk about this particular topic. I generally call it as a sick-free business. No matter what happens, people may die, but the company will never die. Good place. Right now, I see that ITC is one of the companies which I can actually bet on. Even in this particular lockdown period, people don't stay away from smoking. So this is one of the best places where I feel ITC is a sick-free business. For example, if price of cigarette today is 5 rupees, example only, don't get happy. If there are 100 customers, tomorrow price goes to 5 rupees 50 paise, there are 110 customers. That's the beauty about their product. The economic theory of price and demand does not hold good for this particular product. The higher the price goes, demand also goes up. At the same time, if the size of cigarette gets reduced, the length of the cigarette gets reduced, still they maintain the same price, their turnover almost doubles, because whoever is smoking one pack of cigarette, he or she does not get the puff or the kick, they start smoking more. At the same time, if they increase the price of the cigarette, generally I talk about it, so I know the price. I'm not a smoker though. if they say the price of cigarette today is 17 rupees and tomorrow because of increase in taxes and because of this economic loss that is going on, if they increase the price to 19 rupees and there's a better brand available at 22 rupees, people don't mind shifting to premium brand. That's the beauty about their business. At the same time, you have work, you smoke. तुमने कहीं भी काम नहीं करता स्मोक करो सर, काम 6 करता स्मोक करो सर, घर में सभी 6 करता बाहर जाकर स्मोक करो सर, घर में कोई भी नहीं करता माड़े हो गए स्मोक करो सर, गर्लफ्रेंड ने गोश्त खाएगा तो स्मोक करो सर, गर्लफ्रेंड ने गोश्त कराने का मूल्य स्मोक करो सर. So for anything and everything, you just need reason to smoke. So this is one of the best places which you can actually park your money in, and good that they are diversified their own businesses. They are not only into tobacco related businesses, they are into hotels, they are into FMCG, they are also into dairy, they are into chocolates and other things now. So this is one of the best companies that I feel, yes, this is where you can actually park your money in. And one shocker, I'll give you one shocker. There's one very good company which is not related to this particular business, is a major shareholder in their company. Any idea which is the company? Major shareholder in this particular company, which is not in particular this particular business. Any idea which one it is? Anyone who can answer?
LIC?
Yes, LIC is the largest shareholder in this particular company. The punchlines actually talk about it. Zindagi ke saath bhi, in ITC, Zindagi ke baad bhi, in insurance product. This is how they actually talk about it. So again, I would like to talk about a particular thing which is very important. This is what people actually are waiting for. They always say stock market kama khale jas got nahi hai, kama upla jas got nahi hai, right time must start karto uski, wrong time must start karto uski, kahi bhi got nahi hai. So for everybody's benefit, I'm showing this particular thing. Everything in life has a cycle, including your own life. So stock markets also have a cycle. Every 5 years, once the cycle actually repeats. This time we were lucky enough, but because we got a good government, we could not see one cycle in between, but it did happen, but nobody actually noticed it. But I would take an example, which is like 2008, 2009, when the market fell. From 21,000, the market fell down to 8,000 levels. People like me in stock markets generally don't talk about it. Whenever markets show sign of recovery, I invest 1 lakh rupees here. I don't talk about it. If I talk, my own wife will tell, why is he investing in stock markets when everybody is losing their money? So I generally invest my money without even talking to her or without even telling her. I just buy shares for 1 lakh. After 1 or 2 years, it becomes 2 lakhs. I'm very happy. Double. After around 6 months or 1 year, I will sell it off at 2.5 lakhs. I'll make good money. I'll tell my wife, I had invested money when markets were down. And today, yes, we made 2.5 lakhs. Let's go on a holiday. I take her out. I get her some jewelry. She is also happy. After which I can go for n number of holidays. She'll not be minding about it. She does not keep quiet. She'll talk about this to her own sister. And she will tell my husband that invested. My husband no invest karya doga sir. 2.5 lakhs necklace that is like WhatsApp mane gift karel chhe. Marriage anniversary amaro. So I'm very happy Kambalika. So she does not keep quiet. She tells it to her own husband. Her husband actually invests money here, which is like 10,000 rupees. Within 1 week, it becomes 18,000. Sorry. Within 1 week, it becomes 18,000. He is the happiest one. He thinks that I have become a king. Market at its peak, it becomes 19,000. He tells 1 more thousand and I will double it. Within 3 months, I'm doubling my money. His bad luck, it starts coming down. 19 becomes 14. He tells, oh, 10,000 no 19,000 ne 14 ne aisa parwani wait kara Kambalika. It becomes 11,000. He still does not want to remove that money. 19 ne 11 ne aisa darra wait kara Kambalika. At 6, his own wife and everybody in his family starts scolding him. Stock market में पैसे लगाया, गधा है, कहाँ लगाया देख, 10 का 6 हो गया, अभी तक नहीं निकाला. So he sells everything and he says stock market is a place where it is all about gambling. You should not be investing in stock markets. This is what happens. Right now, Indian stock markets are in this particular position wherein it is still expected to go down. This particular coronavirus has eaten away everybody's business. So all these companies who are expected to come out with results in further months, will tell because of this particular problem, we could not make money, because of which stock market further go down. That point of time, whenever you feel stock market is in the right direction, you start investing or start accumulating good stocks. Right now also you can start with accumulation, which are companies you are telling like pharma and other ones. Wherever you feel that price has gone down, start accumulating it. This is the most important thing which people actually miss. They'll tell, oh, last time they got 600 rupees, आता 1200 rupees, sir. But why you did not buy? Don't buy everything at one shot. You'll always have to buy stocks in stock markets in installments. First time I buy at a particular price, I buy 5 shares. Second time, if price has gone down, I'll buy 7 shares. Third time, price has further gone down, I'll buy 10 shares. As and when price goes up, I'll stop buying more. I'll start buying less, but continuously start buying it. But when you sell it in 2 halves. This is a very important thing, because people sell it as and when they want it. Again, they end up paying DP charges, which is depository participant charges for demat clearance. And they say, oh, this point of time, when markets were in this particular point, everybody around you were talking about markets, including your doodh wala and sabzi wala were talking about markets. Everybody were like, oh, stock market is very good, I made good money. Everybody has newspaper ads. You will see a lot of ads on TV. Mutual funds are right now telling you continue to invest. But when this particular thing happens, they always say, I got this much return, that much return, mutual fund is the best one. So this is a very important thing. Whenever stock market is being spoken everywhere around you, this is a time when you should actually remove your money out of the markets. And whenever nobody is talking about markets, okay, in this position, people actually don't open demat account. So your brokers gives you a demat account for free. So you get opportunity to open a demat account for free and start with investment, which is like bits and pieces. Don't jump in with all the money and invest everything at one shot and you end up making losses. So this is very important thing that people actually don't understand. Whenever this particular thing happens, then is where people actually invest. And whenever this particular thing happens, people who have been veteran in the markets, including Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, start buying. They do shopping. And you people talk about Flipkart and Amazon sale, which actually you may not get the product also, but here you get good company shares. So whichever company you feel is good, you can actually start buying in this particular position. Clear? Any doubts? Any questions? You can ask me. There are few chats. I'll just see what it is. Okay. Which one is the best online discount brokerage company out of the below list? 5paisa is good. That is India Infoline. Upstocks, I'm not too sure where it belongs to and other things. I would not recommend you to do that. ICICI Direct, they are the costliest ones right now in India. Anybody charges 0.5, they charge you 0.75, which is the highest. Sharekhan is good. Kotak Security is also good. Demat, India Bulls Demat is also good. Angel Broking is also good. So if you are a trader, then go with 5paisa. If you are not a trader, investor, then the remaining options are good except for ICICI Direct. Okay, any other question? Just a second. Nobody has any other question?
So as you said that we can, when the market is down and we can buy shares in Parkit,
Yes.
that's generally for higher amount of money, for example, 1 or 2 lakhs. So for someone who doesn't have that amount of corpus ready to be invested, if someone is willing to just invest in installments every month,
yes.
So what would you suggest?
You can always invest in stock markets in installment basis only. For example, if you want, you can invest as low as 500 rupees per month and start buying good stocks. At 500, you may get companies which are not that big. For example, MRF today is the costliest stock in Indian stock markets. That does not mean that you have to buy MRF only. You can always buy the next company. Apollo Tyres is the next company, or CEAT, which is the third one. So
yes, but
leader based upon which you can actually follow up the second one or the third one. Keep a particular target, look at the financial charts or the candlesticks, and particular time, a particular price is what you will have to fix and then exit out of it. Don't fall in love with any of the stocks. The stocks will never get married to you.
Yeah, but if I'm if I'm buying it in installments every month,
yes.
So I might miss the cycle you said when the market is low or when the market is high, I might end up buying. So how do we tackle that situation?
One very important thing, don't enter the stock markets with a short-term vision telling that aaj daam galu so next month ma double cut kusa kam. Stock market is also like a small baby. You'll have to give the time for it to grow, give you good returns, give you good dividends and other things. So always enter the stock market with a horizon of 1 year, 2 year, or 3 years. Only then you can get good money out of it. If you just want to jump in now and jump out, you may not make any money.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hello,
Yeah,
Kishore.
it will still go down till the day gold is expected to go up. The market will continue to go down.
Hello, Kishore.
Yes, sir. Yes, Sauji. Bola,
Can
sir.
you can you throw some more light with respect to stop loss, because most of the people make averaging,
yes,
and end up in a lot of losses.
Yes.
So it is better that you highlight some points with respect to where they can have a stop loss, so that it will be good for them also. So they will not consider it as a gambling, or it will not be considered as a highly risky affair.
Yes. Okay. Before I proceed to that, people are still asking whether markets will continue to go down. Yes, market will continue to go down. And yes, market, I told you, because of this corona thing, all the businesses will go for toss. Automobile sales have become zero this month because all the stores are closed. So what will they produce and what will they actually pay as salaries? So obviously it will hamper their books of accounts, because of which they'll end up showing more losses. At the same time, equity versus debt shares. Yes, equity, see, if you are a safe player, then debts is what I would recommend. If you are a risk taker, then go for equities. Again, there are different classes of equities there. There are blue chip companies where your money is most of the time safe. There are mid-sized companies where your money is at bit risk. And somebody asked me about the penny stocks. Yes, the risk here is more. You may find 2 rupee 50 paise share and you end up buying 25, you end up investing 25,000. The 2 rupee 50 paise becomes 2 rupees. Your investment from 25,000 comes down to 20,000. So for small amount, you may not find it difficult, but when it comes to bigger thing, you multiply it with the number of shares that you have, you end up making losses. So I don't recommend you to go for small penny stocks. Instead of that, go with companies who are known in the market. And what is that they are doing? Is this company good? Who is the management and other things? And then if you feel, yes, people around you, if they are buying and if they are talking about this company, jump in. There's no harm in it. And you yourself like the product, go and buy it. If, for example, ITC, I don't like the cigarettes, but I buy everything else, including the chocolates. I go and stay in the Fortune Hotels, which is owned by them. So that point of time, yes, it is good for me to invest there because I'll get my money back as earnings. This is something that I always look at. How long will it go down? Sir, I can't time the market. If I could time the market, then I would not talk to you people. I would only sit and invest by doing my own research. So you can't time the market. This is very important thing. You can't say after 2 years from today, I'll remove my money out of the markets, because after 2 years, market may not be having this situation, or it may continue to go up. Then that point of time, your greed would tell, Atas, sell karo no, andar just wait karo boli kar. Where are mid-level stocks and small shares? Where the return? I did not get your question. Sorry.
Hello.
Indian companies are doing very good, and Indian companies are giving very good returns. Why do you want to invest in companies who are not in India?
Hello.
Yes. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Any upcoming technology or trend, like what you told about that Vatek Web?
Yes.
Actually, at least I was not knowing about this company.
Yes.
Something such type of where I should be or we should be keeping eye on. What about the artificial intelligence?
Yes.
AI will be the core. In a few companies who are into this AI.
See, AI, machine learning, these are the two places where things will go up. And AI and machine learning.
Machine learning.
Yes. Machine learning. These are the two places where everybody is betting huge money on.
But sorry, machine learning means what? Means exactly, I didn't get it. Machine learning means?
See, today, if you go to Byju's and other people, they have things automated.
Online things.
Yeah.
Online learning and all.
Yes, online learning, and there are a lot of companies who are into corporate training and other things which are into machine learning part of it. They just train that particular module, and people actually go online based upon their thing. They have done gamification of learning and other things. So these are the things which can actually be invested.
Actually, I think service industry would be also.
Yes. See, insurance will become a need of hour. Everybody wants to buy insurance because of this kind of situation that happened now. People who are not ready for insurance will go and first thing they do right now is buy an insurance. So all these financial services company who are not into banking are the ones whom you can actually bet on.
Okay, but can you suggest us few companies, because there are n number of, but
See,
as a fresher.
HDFC Ergo is very good. Recently they bought off Apollo Munich, which is one of the largest general insurance provider. They just bought it and they are actually doing very good. And HDFC as a brand is the topmost bank in India today.
Yeah, and how about the AI? Any firms that can be...
Again, you'll have to see a lot of companies. For example, in Bangalore, if you see, Wipro actually works on AI and other projects. So you can actually invest on Wipro. Again, I'm not into it, but I keep doing a lot of research about it. I keep reading a lot of articles. So whichever companies actually pop up when I actually search for this particular topic is what I actually keep it in my scanner and then start investing on it.
And machine learning?
Machine learning, I told you. There are companies who are majorly into funding thing. They are not listed companies, but they are ones who are actually getting a lot of funding from this equity, private equity people.
Yeah, thank you. And one more thing, you were talking that people, the trend you should be looking for. See what happened, if I remember the DLF case, the DLF was, there was a bubble actually. The huge people were talking about this DLF, wow, many invested, and within few days, it is other way around. All investment.
Okay, I'll ask you one small question. If you are buying a property yourself, do you pay everything in white, 100%? Hello? Do you pay everything in 100% white? Major portion is paid in black only, and that is never getting accounted. So all these real estate companies who are into development, they don't actually account everything as white.
Yeah, sorry, in between I could not hear you. Sorry. Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, I just asked you, if you are buying a property, will you pay everything in white?
Will you pay everything in
white?
Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
This video will be also going live, so let's keep that responses right now piled up. The thing is, market situations in particular domains, there will be having challenges. Nobody can predict it, but as Kishorda mentioned, how the company background is, analysis is quite important. So Kishorda, I just wanted to tell you this right now, for all the audience, we are discussing about the strategies and learning about it. Let's not talk specific about individual things, because tomorrow again the part 2 element will be happening. There is so much of more discussion can be happening, but I would strongly recommend today, as we learned from Kishore telling about like common sense approach, that was something wow. And there are another 2 approaches also. I think Hemant will also give a little bit of light on for 10 minutes.
Okay.
For Kishore permits, let we know Hemant also give us
last 2 minutes, and I'm winding up with my session. Last 2 minutes.
Yeah, but sorry to interrupt. Actually, the thing is that if the strategy is there, but if some live examples, or because we are new to this, so some example, or that's the reason why to get it more clarified, I was asking this.
Okay.
This is not about the specific thing.
With you can share a message with me. I'll revert back to you. The things I have.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Anna, sorry to interrupt. Hello. Anna, sorry to interrupt.
एक बात बोलानु काय कदर any fresher you can start with newspapers and news as well.
Yes.
आती तो उन्हें idea आउतु जासे and they can know better how to invest, where to invest, what to invest.
Yes.
What do you suggest about this?
See, newspaper is a very good thing. But again, it is something which is old. तुमने आज नो काय हो सब अनाम को मैं न्यूज़पेपर में देता नहीं. काल काय का बोलेगा आज नो न्यूज़पेपर में आवश्यक.
Economic Times can be referred. Economic Times.
Observation is important.
Observation is very important. News is very important.
Observation कराना हमने news and newspaper.
Yes.
Yeah.
Basic start करना उसी तरह. Observation करा कर you can know what to invest in later.
Most of the time, it depends the segment which you are most interested with. Try to focus on segments which you are most interested with. Invest a lot of time to understand what is its behavior in the current marketplace, and then start investing. If you simply drop in and start putting into all shares which have a lot of volatility, you will lose your money.
Yes. Okay, last one that I would like to talk about. Please avoid EFGH in markets. If you want to be a successful investor or a trader, please avoid this 4 things. If you are not able to avoid any of these things, at least one of it also, then stock market is not a place where you should actually invest in. E stands for emotions. If you have fought with your family members, if you are not happy with something that went on bad in the morning, you don't have to enter stock market on that particular day, because you end up taking decisions in haste, and whatever decision you take in haste would always backfire or make you end up making losses. Second thing is fear. If you don't get sleep at night, even after losing 2 rupees in the market, then stock market is not the place for you. Instead of that, you can put your money in FD, and FD will give you short returns. So it's very important for you to follow a particular saying that we always follow in stock market is, share market mein rehna hai to share ban ke raho. There is something that we follow. Third, that thing is G. G is greed. If you are greedy and people say target is 120 and you say 120 touch hi kar sell karo, say nahi is tarah sell karta nahi kar, it may not even touch 120. That point of time, because of your greed, you may end up making losses. हाथ में आएगा तुम्हें गर्म ले जाओ नहीं हुई तभी गस. H, last one is hope. You hope, yes, from bad things happen good thing, but you will have to understand whether this particular company who has got into bad shape has a potential to get into good shape just because of the management or the funding that is there. If you blindly hope, oh, my company खरो भी उपला जासा, आज product छोड़ने ऐसे परवानी, management छोड़ने ऐसे परवानी, और दाम गालू से गालूस करते गाले जे, but you can't hope things to turn around just because you want to invest in it. So this is something that I would like to end my session with. Hemanta, you can start with your session. Thank you very much. I will share my mobile number. It's 9844. But no good morning, good nights and forwards, please. 25 00 70. This is my mobile number. Any query you have, please WhatsApp me. Whenever I am free, I'll revert back to you. You can search on Google my name, Kishore BS. Follow one page on Google, only I am available. I write a lot of blogs. I have more than 40,000 followers online. You can also follow me there.
Thank you, Kishore. Audience, sorry for the delay. There was an interruption in between. तुमने अंकी another max 15 minutes. Hemant will be just giving an introduction about like what he will be talking, and as well as for tomorrow's session mo kai cover kare sir, and overall package na bagi ek small discussion ho sir. If you give permit, we will continue it.
Yes, that can be started then.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Awesome. Thank you, audience. Hemanta, dais is yours.
Thank you, Sunil, and thank you, Kishore.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, start off. 1 minute. Kishore, I guess I'm facing a problem. I am not able to share my screen. Hello?
Hemanta, we can hear you. You can start.
I'm not able to share my screen. I'm not able to share my screen.
You are visible.
My screen is
No
visible?
problem. That तुम्ही contact तुम्ही gosh करो दा. No problem.
My screen is visible?
No, you are visible, not your screen.
My screen.
No.
दा हमने आउटुस दा तुम देखता लिया सर. No problem. Oh,
yeah. Regards the screen from your computer. Yeah, it's not visible.
Kishore, I want to share the presentation. Can you just change the settings?
You are also co-host now.
I'm the co-host? Okay. Thank you. 1 second. हाय एवरीवन. आता काय इकडं किशोर एक कॉमन सेंस अप्रोच गोष्ट करियो मार्केट्स कदा काय गोष्ट करियो आणि तुमने बाकी काय हो सकम तुमने बोलियो तुम्हारी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करान पहिलो जनरली हमाजातना ऐकना मॅक्सिमम हमाजातना छे तुम्ही सभी ऐकन बिझनेस गईजा तुम्ही हमाजातना बिझनेस गाईस ही करना तुम्ही आता कोण तर बी बिझनेस में इन्वेस्ट करू का तर तुम्ही काय करायचं आता बिझनेस में इन्वेस्टमेंट करणं तर तुम्ही काय योजना करस फर्स्ट थिंग कोण तर जवाब दिए काय योजना करस कंपनी का
कोणतं प्रॉफिटेबल बिझनेस आहे कसं
आणि काय योजना करस प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कशी योजना करस आणि चुकीचं बी योजना करस की मार्केट स्टडी अपार्ट फ्रॉम मार्केट स्टडी आणि काय तर
भांडवल तितकं लागस
एक्झॅक्टली मेन थिंग तुम्ही काय फर्स्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट करान पहिलू काय असं मारू भांडवल कितकू लागस नेक्स्ट तुम्ही काय योजना करायचं तुम्हारू रिस्क फॅक्टर काय छे that is a too important
consumable दररोज भी सेल उसके नहीं है once in a while festival season सेल उसके कैसा प्रोडक्ट लाइन में चेक करना
एक्झॅक्टली तुम्ही ताई योजना करू का तर ताई डायमेन्शनल आई करना फंडामेंटल अनालिसिस कमी करून बोलस आता तिना बगे एक स्मॉल स्निपेट दूस फंडामेंटल अनालिसिस काय कर फंडामेंटल अनालिसिस में जनरली काय असं फंडामेंटल अनालिसिस ते टॉपिक ना बघू गोष्ट करस फंडामेंटल अनालिसिस करान पहिलो देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट एक ट्रेडिंग का बोलस एक इन्वेस्टमेंट का बोलस आणि एक स्पेक्युलेटर का बोलस आता इन्व्हेस्टर्स काय करस इन्व्हेस्टर्स ऐकना रिसर्च बेस करस आता रिसर्च बेस कर काय करस तुम्ही आता इन्वेस्टमेंट नवू करू का बोल्या तर मग काय करस तुम्ही रिसर्च करस आई बिझनेस चलस का इना किकू भांडवल लागस इकू भांडवल खातो किकू प्रॉफिट आवस प्रॉफिट आवान पहिलो बिझनेस कितकू होस हांव कितकू खर्च करनो ताई ऐकना इन्व्हेस्टर्स करस दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज इन्व्हेस्टर्स का दे आर डू जनरली रिसर्च बेस्ड नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी ऐकना ट्रेडर्स का बोलस ट्रेडर्स काय करस ट्रेडर्स ऐकना आज लेसा आज सिक्सी नाही एक 2-3 दिवस में इक्विटर्स ते काय करस इन्फॉर्मेशन बेस्ड ट्रेडिंग करस कदर आता एकटा कोण आता मला आता जस्ट 5 मिनिट पहिलू बोल्या न्यूजपेपर देखील का न्यूज दिलेस दॅट इज इन्फॉर्मेशन बेस्ड कदर ते न्यूज वाचस तर એનું કોણ કે પ્રોડક્ટ લોન્ચ હોનું છે નહીં आणि काय तर नवू अप्रुवल मिळान છે ते काय एक इन्फॉर्मेशन बेस्ड हो करस ते ट्रेडर्स कमरस थर्ड कैटेगरी ऐकना स्पेक्युलेटर्स कमरस स्पेक्युलेटर्स मेनली काय दे आर बेसिकली गॅमलर्स तर तुमने काय करायचं आज नो काय पैदा आज 1 रुपया घाल्यो म्हणे आजच 10 रुपया होनो दिस कैटेगरी ऑफ पीपल आर द मोस्ट dangerous as well as the most necessity people who drive the markets ये कहू का तरह कहू ये necessity का मोइकम बोला सा सांगा तो तुम्ही काय तभी करो स्पेक्युलेटर्स का मोल्या पसी आज मार्केट काय तर चलनो वॉल्यूम होनो तर दिस आर द स्पेक्युलेटर्स सांगा ते काय करस न्यूज ती ट्राय करस नाही तिनु एक अंदाज ती करस नाही तो इन्स्टिंक्ट ती करस ते स्पेक्युलेटर्स काय ट्रेड करस इना करती वॉल्यूम्स जास्ती होस वॉल्यूम्स कमा जास्ती होस दॅट लीड्स टू इन्फॉर्मेशन त्या इन्फॉर्मेशन कमा जास्ती होस त्या इन्फॉर्मेशन ती रिसर्च ने हेल्प होस सांगा वॉल्यूम्स इंक्रीज कमा होस तमा इन्वेस्टर्स ने ग्रॅब करस सो आइडियली स्पेक्युलेटर्स आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट क्राइटेरिया फॉर हू ड्राइव द इन्वेस्टर्स एंड द ट्रेडर्स तो मैं बोले जे Now talking about ये को हेल्प करस हमने कम फंडामेंटल में नाउ काय बोलो ट्रेडिंग बोलो ट्रेडिंग शॉर्ट टर्म अप्रोच करस ते क्वांटिटेटिव कदा काय क्वांटिटी ट्रेड होस तिना बगे योजना करस ते को ट्रेड करस इन्फॉर्मेशन बेस्ड रिसर्च ने काय बी मोलस देता नहीं कदा काय आज सडन कन एक कोंदूर एक स्टॉक दिसाई तिना में एक सडन कन वॉल्यूम दिसी ते वॉल्यूम ते ट्रेडिंग करस ते इन्फॉर्मेशन रिसर्च इज सेकेंडरी फॉर देम तमत एक ट्रेडिंग वाला नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट काय एक्सपेक्ट ते ना न्यूज ने कदर वॉल्यूम्स इज बेस्ड ऑन टेक्निकल एनालिसिस का मोलस टेक्निकल एनालिसिस में वॉल्यूम प्लेस अ वेरी क्रिटिकल रोल का मोले तमा तुमने वॉल्यूम्स ती ब्रेकआउट मिळस तमा ते काय करस टेक्निकल एनालिसिस में चोने स्टॉक पिक किया पसी दे તે પિક કરનારા તે ટ્રેડિંગ ને યુઝ કરે તો બોલે છે. નેક્સ્ટ ઇન્વેસ્ટિંગ काय करस ये ट्रेडर्स काय અહીં करस तिना आपला इन्व्हेस्टर्स ने एक आयडिया मिळस की कोण तू स्टॉक पिक करायचे. इन्व्हेस्टर्स काय असं जनरली लॉंग टर्म असस. लॉंग टर्म का बोल्या तर 1 year to 3 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. आता वॉरेन बफे का बोले છે. वॉरेन बफे ऐका ना, ही इज अ इन्व्हेस्टर नॉट अ ट्रेडर. आता वॉरेन बफेट નું तुम्ही लिया तर ही स्टार्टेड हिज करियर ऑलमोस्ट 40-50 years back. आज ही इज कन्सिडर्ड एज द नंबर 1 इन्व्हेस्टर इन ग्लोबली. तुम्ही मध्यमમાં કહેતા મને ડાઉટ એસની ક્વેશ્ચન્સ એકનું બધા તમે આઈકે છે. તો કાઈ સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યો. હેલો, કોને કહેતા ડાઉટ છે? ઓકે, અઝ્યુમ કઈ ડાઉટ નહીં કરना અહીં કરું અઝ્યુમ કરી જાઉં છું. વોરેન બફેટ તેનું કરિયર સ્ટાર્ટ કરસમાં જો હાઈસ્કૂલમાં હતો તેનું કરિયર સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યો. તેનું કાય માથામાં હતું કે he was investing in business where he saw business has a life cycle and a growth. तर तिनु क्राइटेरिया काय होतो बिझनेस ऐकना चलनो it should be an ongoing business, it should be an ongoing profitable business. तर क्वालिटेटिव्ह असनो क्वांटिटेटिव्ह असनो, that was his criteria. next criteria was research based. तर तो कंपनी बगे जरा रिसर्च करे तर कंपनी कोण प्रमोटर એનું બિઝનેસ ફ્યુચર કાય છે, પ્રમોટર્સ નું ક્રેડિબિલિટી કાય છે, ત્યાં રિસર્ચ બેઝ કરે. રિસર્ચ બેઝ કતરા ફંડામેન્ટલ એનાલિસિસ કમલ છે. ફંડામેન્ટલ એનાલિસિસ કતરા आता હું काय गोष्ट કર્યો સ્ટાર્ટિંગ માં આમાં જતના મસ્ત બિઝનેસ વાળા છે તે કો બિઝનેસ માં ઇન્વેસ્ટ કરનું કન છે. ધેટ ઇઝ ઓલ અબાઉટ ફંડામેન્ટલ એનાલિસિસ. आता ह्या तीन एलिमेंट्स टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस आणि मार्केट इन्फॉर्मेशन આ तीन मिळीकना स्टॉक નું प्राइस નો ઉપર ઇફેક્ટ કરસ. એ तीन मिळीकना स्टॉक प्राइस ઉપર નહીં કદા તરણેઓસ. This is all about how a share price goes up. आता लूर कोणे तर काही तर डाउट्स क्वेरीज एनी क्वेश्चन्स?
Hemant, this is one of the nice picture. इनामती अर्थोस की निस्तु कंपनी मोटू लाइव प्रोग्रेसिव अस्तर भी एक सरित नमे. There is also along with technical fundamental analysis which है plus market stipulation also it depends. So that is the reason nobody can predict exactly what's happening.
Exactly. आता जनरली काय हो सर मार्केट में तीन पार्टिसिपेंट भी कदर स्पेक्युलेटर्स नो role is much bigger because until speculators market में आयलनेस को वॉल्यूम बिल्ड होतो नहीं कभी भी speculators कमा अवस तमा वॉल्यूम बिल्ड होस. they are the most important criteria guys. the speculator कमा करस that leads to volumes leads to signals will be picked by technicals कमा तुमने पिक करस की that will lead to noises. अगर आता किशोर बोलियो common sense approach कम्मा टेक्निकल गाइज ने सिग्नल्स मिळस की ते काय करायचं द मोमेंट यू गेट अ सिग्नल दे स्टार्ट स्प्रेडिंग न्यूज स्प्रेड होता है काय होतं देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च डन. वन्स रिसर्च इज डन लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्टार्ट पिकिंग इट फ्रॉम अ लॉन्ग टर्म पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह. दैट्स हाउ इट स्टार्ट्स. आणि काय डाउट एक कोणतं क्वेश्चन आहे की असं हु आर मार्केट मेकर्स. Market makers are speculators. There's no doubt about it.
Share buy sell ही नहीं कहता price था सस की कौन अदा market
generally share price momentum होनु का तरह दा there should be generally volumes कमा हो सर. तुम्ही एक मार्केट ने गया मार्केट ने गई करना तुम्ही कहता लेनू को मिला तुम्ही लेनू को there should be a demand. Only when there is a demand, there is a price. अगर तुम्ही कोणता डिमांडच करणे तर prices there will be no price at all.
कदा तिने सेल करणारा भी रेडी असनो तर मास तिनो मूवमेंट भी होसे प्राइसेस
द सेल करान रेडी असतो तुम्ही आता लेणारा છે तो सेल करान रेडी છે तुमने 10,000 નો तो निस्तु तुमने 1000 देवान रेडी છે તમા काय होस indirectly there is a demand. तर जो आता ત્યાં અગર 1000 છે the demand is 10,000. तुम्ही 10,000 कमाते होस की there is disruption. When there's disruption, there is almost a price, and the price will shoot up. That is what I said. The volumes define the price.
आता मार्केट ने एक टन टमाटो आहे तर
Exactly.
आता मार्केट जनवने रिक्वायरमेंट છે તે ઇસ્ટુ એક 200 kg तुम्ही
There is no demand. There is no demand is not there. Supply is more. कमा तुमने supply जास्ती करना demand कम हो उसकी the price invariably falls. अगर तुमने 100 रुपया में टमाटो will come down to 1 rupee. Simple as that. Demand and supply.
आता लगन सीजन टमाटो ओनो ಒಟ್ಮ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಕಮ್ಮ છે ಕತರ ತಮ તઈ 100 રૂપિયાનો પંડો 120 ને ગતિ બી ડિમાન્ડ છે જનો લેનારા છે જો અંકી 1-2 રૂપિયા જસ્તી કરસ આઈ એમ રેડી ટુ પે 5 more rupees આઈ એમ રેડી ટુ પે 10 more rupees price તમા જસ્તી જાતું હસ that is exactly what is going to happen in the market.
Exactly, that is same as the market.
Okay, તમારો એક ક્વેશ્ચન છે with regard to the income tax treatment. If I buy the shares this year, okay, I've been paying my usual income tax every year.
Okay.
If I'm selling my shares after say 5 years, but every year, every month, I can say I'll keep on earning the profit because of the movement of the shares, right? So how the tax treatment would happen when I'm liable to pay the tax?
The shares, the incidence of the share profits is based when you book it, not when you book it in actual. Kada tumhara shares liya, to means to you showed in the statement that you have shares, your investment is so much. But till you don't book, it is not an actual profit for you. It's only a mark to market.
That's good. So after 5 years,
mark to market, you don't have to pay any tax.
Okay.
Only when you exercise and book the profits or losses, you declare that there's a profit, this is my tax, there's a loss, I carry forward my loss. Simple.
That's great. Thank you very much.
Okay. Can I proceed further? Hello?
Yes, please. Yes, you can proceed.
Okay. One second now. Just give me a second. Okay. The price momentum that we already goes kriya how the price movement happens, demand and supply. Demand and supply kasana also speculators ko kikku demand che, that is speculators. Ina next ati it leads to investors, and investors leads to traders. Tomo hosa. आता fundamentals मध्ये गोष्ट करते ना हमारा next topic करती. Fundamental analysis ऐका ना एका तुम्ही एक बीज काढी का ना एक फल जैसे बीज काढी का तुम्ही भूमी में घाले उसको अगर तुम्ही ते बीज काढी का भूमी में घाल्या अगर एक पपईनु जाणू से एक बीज घाल्या का समझो तुम्ही बीज घालता असं इमिडिएटली काय होतं तुमने इमिडिएटली तुमने ते फल मिळतो नाही तिना एक टाइम लागस कदर it takes some duration that can be a medium term to a long term. कदा तुम्ही फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस कसा करायचा तर तुम्ही बीज काढ्या ते बीज काढायला पहिले तुम्ही काय करायचं तुम्ही पपई खासा पपई खावा पहिले खायापासून काय योजना करायचं आणि पपईनो साईज काय होतो तो बीज स्वीट होतो की नाही नाटी की नाही फार्म that is the fundamental analysis. ते કર્યાपछि तुम्ही बीज लीक ना ते भूमी मनवा खाल्या that is fundamental analysis. तुम्ही ते घालताच ना बीज ते बीज આગળ ઉપલાર જસ ઝાડ દેસ आणि ते फ्रूट देस is your investment giving you returns. This is all about fundamental analysis where you sow a tree seed. The seed जेकन एक tree होसा in a fruits gives you a profit ability and ते तुम्ही fruits कमा तुम्ही इकॉनमी मार्केट ने जासा that is called as liquidity आणि ते झाड वाजाना तुम्ही तिने गोबर सवी घालासा that is called as solvency. That is all about it. Inam, get a doubt? Any doubt on this?
Hemendra will take the doubts last minute so that because we are already exceeding time. Yeah.
Talking about fundamental analysis, कौ करनो? Fundamental analysis no principle काया? Principle is fundamental principles काया? Earnings expected. Company नो काय profitability आसा? That is the main important. कसंगा तुम्ही कोणतं भी business लेसा ते business नी काय तुमने profit मिळसा आणि तिनो profit नो आगळ कितको मिळसा? That is the main criteria. Second thing I profits इको मिळी तर I company इको worth छे का share मोला. ताइया कौन discovery करानो? Third I company I profit completely continue करनो तरह macro factors तरह ये scenario में COVID impact है. I COVID impact में भी company चलस का, I product चलस का, I product ने demand आस का. The demand असी का इन्हें company नो profitability आवास का. That is the analysis. ते सभी करी करना तुम्ही एक तिने analysis कराएगा. You get the grand picture whether the company is what to be bought or not. So that is the grand picture. That is all about fundamental analysis. For today, with this, I am concluding the session. We'll carry forward for the next session, which is tomorrow, and I'll tell you how to calculate a grand picture. कौवा तुम्ही समझनो का मोलिका. So far, तुमने कहता I can't say any doubts.
Like a small request.
Yes.
Like a small request. See, in stock market we are layman, but I have some kind of interest to do some stock exchange. See, I'm layman, so please try to teach me in very simple manner if possible, please.
The simple manner को बोलिए ना, fundamental is the basic manner. कदा तुमने कहा या तुमने बोलियो, तुम्हें एक बीज लीकर ना घर आता तो कौ झाड़ उसका. That is all about fundamental analysis.
Okay.
ताइया वाला तुमने एक snippet दूसरी तुम्हें कौन stock identify करे जाए कम बोलिए.
I think this is only briefing. I brief करता कि सका हमारे काय session असना चाहिए. Correct, Mr.
Okay. This is only a briefing. Okay, what हम session काय असस कम बोलिए.
Okay.
I'm just creating a base da. I'm just putting a foundation.
Thank you.
Just to answer
fundamental analysis कौ करा sir? I'll continue tomorrow.
Yeah, you will have to first decide what are you. You are an intraday trader. You are an investor. You'll have to decide on that.
The fundamental analysis will help you to understand whether you want to be a trader, you want to be an investor, or you want to be a speculator. Simple
Vivek,
as that.
Vivek, you wanted to ask something?
Yeah, Hemant, just want to understand how important is profitability in your fundamental analysis. Do you harp more on the profitability of the company or on the valuation of the company?
Vivek, both are important. Because अगर तुमने profitability नहीं करा, you cannot do a valuation.
Cash flow is there.
Cash flow shows you what is the cash flow. But if you have the cash flow, like Biocon, Biocon was cash flows were decent, but there was no profitability for pretty long. So to Biocon, they got last Biocon's shares started moving up only from last 4 years. Before that, Biocon was dud for almost 10 years. So only when they started giving the profitability, the stock prices picked up. Simple as that.
Okay, but what happens in case of, let's say, Flipkart or Amazon today? Yeah, I mean, it's still a
Flipkart,
lot of context, but these guys have valuation based on cash flows and market share and not necessarily based on the profitability.
Vivek, Flipkart, Amazon to liya tara. It is only a paper valuation. It is not a actual valuation. Because they don't have any profitability inside, first thing. Second thing, they are not listed. So there is no price discovery yet.
Yes.
There's no price discovery.
They are not. I'm just trying to get an example from those kind of shares where, of course, their market cap is huge. They have widespread, but they don't have profitability. Are we also looking at companies which are listed but on similar grounds where profitability is low, but the stock prices are high because of the reach they have?
Okay. Vivek, on a private, on a personal point of view, to me, any personal, any private firm which is not listed, there is something called as a book building issue. तुमने IPO on John Paylo, there's a book building process which is initiated, which is called as a discovery of the price.
Yes.
Samate company no valuation hours, and that is not open for general public. That is only for the financial institutions. Samate, based on all these parameters, cash flows, liquidity ratios, different high parameters, Galikan, they discover a price and they arrive at a price that this is the valuation of the company, and they give their tenders that at this price I'm ready to buy so many percentage of stake. The more number of bids at a particular price, the value will be discovered at that price.
Okay, so you mean to say profitability is important or the key?
Obviously, because the listing rules are very clear for the 5 years, preceding 5 years. In that 3 years, the company should be profitable. Otherwise, they cannot list.
The profitability and how much they retain. If all the profits have been
retention is the secondary criteria. But
only
the
then
important criteria.
Your capital base has to increase, constantly be increasing, right?
Not required, not necessary.
See, if all your earnings are spent out, then there's no growth.
That is for the management to take a call.
No, if your company is healthy in terms of growth, retention of profit, and capital expansion, only then you will get your valuation. All your ratio analysis has to be as per that, right?
No, there has to be redeployment of cash. There will be profit, but it will be apportionment from the profit that happens.
There are two different views of thought on it. One is there enough opportunities for growth? Ada tumhi ata Infosys take for the example. It is considered the most cash-rich company in India. They have for almost 5-6 years, they have not been deploying cash efficiently. They are giving it as dividends. They are retaining only a minor part of it. But still, Infosys stock price is going up.
But when I've paid off my dividends, don't you think the stock prices should not go up significantly? Because it's only when I'm accumulating is when the stock price should go up. But when I've repaid, it should come down to the
not necessary. Because
every time there's a dividend going out, the price of the shares drop.
Correct.
There will be a small decimal.
Sorry.
There will be a small dip in profits, share price. But once they declare that there is profitability going forward more, the share price automatically takes a due recourse and it goes up. TCS share price has been going up because they're given 6% growth when industry is being growing at 3.5%. So that 2.5% additional growth is driving up the stock prices. Simple as that. Any other questions?
Thanks, Hemant. Answers my question.
Friends, I think we have reached the closure for the day. Hemanta, I think Hemanta and Kishore, you both are here, I believe.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes. We had a close to like 65 odd audiences there going in and out. But coming to the reality, as we decided to perform the basics of the investment, and it was about basics of equity investments, we learned so many of like a broader aspect as well as some fundamental approaches, and also we learned about pricing factors and how we have to analyze situation. It was an overall, like for a fresher be like me, it was like I got a crux of the idea, what can be possibility. Now we can strongly say that if there is money with us with something like extra, which is like just piled up, we can play around with it, because a empty money which is with us, it's equivalent to like an expense without knowing. So audience, you guys were amazing. Audience, you were amazing, and we are having the same continuation of the part 2 where we will be going little intense, where also we will have last 15 minutes tomorrow where individual doubts can also be clarified. And meanwhile, we will be sharing Mr. Hemant as well as Kishore's contact number. You can also ping them, and meanwhile we try to keep it as minimum as possible in the time structure. Unfortunately, there was a technical glitch. Apologies for that. And again, thank you once again for each and every person's joining with us. We will be continuing the webinar for tomorrow at 7 p.m. and webinar link will be shared very shortly.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, the organizer. Thank you everybody for listening out patiently.
Thank you, Kishore Anna. Thank you, Hemant Anna.
Thank you so much, Kishore. And
wish you happy wedding anniversary, Kishore.
Yes, wish you happy wedding anniversary.
Kishore.
Happy wedding anniversary, Kishore.
Happy wedding anniversary, Kishore.
A nice session by Kishore Anna and Hemant Anna.
Sharing with us. It was a very good, a great pleasure from your end. But you shared so good knowledge to us. Thank you, all the supporters in the team. Thank you.
Okay.
Guys, most of this content will be put on YouTube SSK Triple S channel. Request members to visit there and provide your feedback on the sessions conducted.
Share the link, please.
Yeah, we'll share the link. Yes, that will be shared shortly. Yes.
And also, any person who wish to talk or share knowledge, please feel free to reach out with SSK Samaj Seva Samiti volunteers like me or Vicky, as well as Balramda also. All right, we will we'll have a wrap up for today. Thank you, guys. Good night.
Good night.
Hey, thank you. Nice approach. Thank you.